Hello, I'm Eric from Bosch Power Tools, and this is the GMS 120 Professional Detector. It detects stud work, ferrous and non-ferrous metal, and live cables. The purpose of this short video is to provide a practical guide to the correct use of this tool so that the best results may be achieved. Please remember to read the instruction manual before using this detector. It's got 239 pages, but don't worry, only 8 of them are in English. The GMS 120 Professional is easy to use. Switch on with the red on-off button and then select the mode you wish to use. The left-hand button selects the drywall mode, which will find wood and metal stud work in a partition wall, for example. The central button enables the metal detecting mode, which will find ferrous and non-ferrous metal. And the right-hand button selects the live cable detection mode. It's fair to say that live cables will be detected in the other two modes, but for precise location of the live cable, always use the live cable detection mode. Beneath the on-off switch, we have a backlight button. The GMS 120 Professional has a backlit LCD display for use in low light conditions. And below that, we have the audio warning on-off button for disabling the audible warning, should that be necessary. Also in the LCD display, we have a battery level indicator in the top right-hand corner. The 9-volt battery is located behind this door in the battery compartment. Open like so, and to disengage the battery, press the bottom edge and remove. Here we are in drywall mode, looking for wooden stud work in a partition wall. Place the unit flat on the surface. The LED ring light's green, which signifies auto calibration's taken place and the unit's ready for use. Scan through the area of interest at least 3 times, taking a note of the signal strength indication scales in the LCD display. There are 2. The upper one is the main signal from the target. The lower one works on the peak of that signal to indicate the centre of the item you're trying to find. When you're located over the centre of the item, you can mark it either by using the indentation on the top of the unit or by placing the pencil through the hole in the middle of the detector. Here we are in metal mode, investigating the proposed location for a fixing. Scan 3 times over the location, keeping an eye on the display. In this case, we're getting a non-ferrous metal detection, and then finally resting where you get the center indicator in the display, and you can see there's a non-ferrous metal icon showing in the LCD, which suggests non-ferrous metal, normally copper, possibly copper pipes. Clearly it wouldn't be sensible to drill in this location. Here we are in metal mode again. We're looking at 2 new locations, proposed locations for drilling for the purpose of fixings. And we're going across this first location here, and we're getting no significant signal. We're getting a green LED ring, so no problems there with that one. As we come towards the next location, we're getting a strong non-ferrous signal showing. This could be a copper pipe, but since we're not intending to drill there, no problems. As we approach the second mark, we're getting a strong ferrous metal reading with the red LED ring and the center marking showing in the display. So this could be structural steel, this could be conduit, this could be steel wire armoured cable, so clearly that's not a good place to drill, so that fixing point is not good. What you would have noticed is that we also have yellow indication on the LED ring, and this suggests that material is nearby, it's close by the primary target, and we wouldn't recommend drilling with either the red or the yellow LED ring lit. Here we are with a proposed location to pass a pipe through this partition wall. There are electrical fitments nearby, so we've left plenty of distance between those and the proposed drilling location. We're in drywall mode, and we're going to scan across the proposed location. Straight away there's a problem. We're picking up a strong signal from a live cable. To get a more precise location, we switch to live cable mode and then home in on the location of the unexpected live cable. Drilling here, of course, is impossible. It's worth noting that not all cables are detectable in the live cable detection mode because they are running in metal conduits. These would register in the normal way in the other two modes as a metal target. Over here we move towards a light switch, and you would expect to pick up a live cable indication quite close to a light switch, but we're not. The reason for this is that the circuit isn't energized. It's worth noting that a circuit should be energized. It's easier then to detect the live cable. So if I switch the light on now, you can see we can pick up a live cable target and therefore avoid drilling in this location too. If it appears that a large area of the wall contains live cables, it may well be that the unit is being confused by a build-up of static charge on the wall covering. This is particularly noticeable on vinyl wall coverings or where the area is warm or dry. A simple way to test this and to return the unit to normal operation is to place your hand on the wall near the unit to dissipate any stray charge. So that's the GMS 120 professional detector. Please remember to read the instruction manual. Thanks for watching.